is Friday, August 29th, and this is just a short podcast because I'm going to introduce the September watch list in a follow-up post. So this is just a short podcast. Let me first start off by congratulating the paid members of the newsletter. The newsletter is free, but there is a paid section for it. And congratulations to the paid members. In this chat, in the chat for the paid members, I put out on August 11th, I reported a stock that I bought a large position in that was going to report earnings. It reported earnings today. That position is up 50% since August 11th. If you took the risk, you got the reward. Congratulations. At this point, you need to decide what your next step is. I've journaled this trade for you going in. I privately journaled the trade for myself when I'm getting out. I made a move today on it. But the goal of my podcast and newsletter is to get you to understand these things and to make the decisions for yourself. So it's not one of these podcasts where, hey, you should buy here and sell here. It's not the point. If you know the price when you're going in that you want to sell it at, you don't have to make decisions and emotions get out of it. My goal, very clear when I went into it. So again, I journaled for it. I also want to point out that we have a Fed rate cut coming up in September that's priced into the market. Right now, the markets are down big. QQQ is down 1.3%. Should I have bought all the QQQ that I bought yesterday? Probably not. Should have waited a day until Friday. Rate cuts, by the way, are very traditionally benefit small cap stocks. I am not a small cap investor. I am very clear about this. I am a large cap tech investor. So how am I playing this going into September, knowing it benefits small cap stocks? Alpha Picks. Alpha Picks is the portfolio of small cap stocks. Let me just go over something for you. It's outperformed with its rule-based portfolio management, incredible ability to pick winners, with 14 of current and past picks gains over 100%. Okay? Picks like AppLovin, up 1,039% in the current portfolio. Picks like SMCI, that was closed out with a 968% gain. Picks like CLS in the current portfolio with a 677% gain. Had you bought this portfolio, just this portfolio, 1 month ago, with a $5,000 investment, 10%, you'd make $500. That pays for your entire year with the subscription being fully paid off. Investing 1 year ago, you would have made 45%, greatly outpacing the market of 16% gains. The same $5,000 that you would have put in a month ago, if you put it in a year ago, it would today be worth $7,250. You're never guaranteed this performance. But I was a subscriber, and I've got well over the normal net worth of an American family in this portfolio. So I'm just talking the talk. This is not me. I am not great at small caps. The one thing I know, rate cuts benefit small caps. So I would suggest that if you don't just get Alpha Picks, you get the bundle. The bundle helps. So why do you want to buy in September? Let's ask. Since 1985, September is the only month with a negative average return for the NASDAQ 100. Yes, negative 0.83%, even though it wins 53% of the time, the pullbacks pull you down. So why do you want to buy in September? Well, the reason you want to buy in September, and again, this is the NASDAQ, the small caps on Alpha Pick may outperform. It may underperform, but it may outperform as well. But why do you want to buy in September? Because the rest of the months are so good. You want to buy the bottom. You don't want to buy the top. So why would you be buying here in January when your average return, or in November? Why not buy in September where the average return is down there so that you get October, November, and December with huge average returns? I will tell you, the VIX is up 8% today. Yesterday, it touched the levels of December 2024. Okay? December 2024. And that was when we were here. On the Qs, we were down at 537. The VIX touched those levels. What happened after December? You took that huge run down. Are we going to see that over this time? I don't know. But your best bet against that is UVIXY. If the VIX is going to spike, UVIXY will spike. Again, there's a little bit of delay in UVIXY. It's not great. But again, that may be a play for you. I'm going to give you the September stocks that I'm watching, okay, in the September watch list. I do full charts, full fundamentals, reasons why they're on the watch list. I'll give you where I think the price action might take the stock, any catalysts that I see during that month. That is going to be in the September watch list newsletter. It will come out right after this. But I'm going to give you another one for free, okay? This is for everybody. Free for everybody. This is $35,000 in value. You just copy and paste this. Turn any AI into your own Bloomberg terminal. There's an example of the Megaprop, and they use it for stock research. Go get a watch list and do the research in these things. Again, this is in Gemini. It's free. So enjoy your weekend. Hopefully you're not losing too much money in the market. You're not panicking because, again, if you don't have a plan, panic isn't a plan. So go check out the September watch list. Enjoy. Have a great weekend. I'll talk to you Monday. Bye.
Every morning I wake up to the sound of the trading bell. My heart's